This is a newspaper article from the Hindu dated 22nd June. The article starts with a brief narration on how Charles Booth and his survey revealed the importance of getting the numbers right with regard to the issue of poverty. Author of this article is Seema Chishti, a Delhi-based journalist. It says, counting the number of poor and prioritizing them is as much as important as the careful documentation of the people who died due to COVID-19. We have different estimates of poverty in India. We have Rangarajan Committee report which came in 2014. It estimated 29.6% of people in India are poor, or they could spend below 47 rupees in urban areas and below 32 rupees in rural areas. But according to the World Bank, the minimum requirement is $2 per day. Again, Suresh Tendulkar Committee report, which came in 2011, fixes the income at rupees 816 per month in rural areas and rupees 1000 per month for urban India. It calculated the poor at 25.7% of the population. A survey in 2013 said India stood at 99th among 131 countries with a median income of rupees 616 per annum, $616 per annum, which is the lowest among BRICS. BRICS, the acronym stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, with its headquarters at China. Again, the Global Hunger Index. India falls under serious hunger category, and National Family Health Survey, that is NFHS5, also marks the increased malnutrition, infant mortality and maternal health. The unorganized sectors Workers' Social Security Act was enacted as a result of the National Commission for Enterprises in the Unorganized Sector, which was headed by late Arjun Singh. The word breadline, which originated in US during 1890s, is used as a term to indicate level of poverty.